When the plant structure is created, the Plant Explorer will show us all the connection between the positions in the system and the maintenance object below them. The maintenance object can also have other information connected to them. That could be spare part, drawing, instruction, or other information. Inside API Pro, we find these information in the Plant Explorer. The Plant Explorer has two windows. The left side will show us and navigate the tree structure. The right side will show us what is below it. So if I find my maintenance object in the left side, I expand it, then drill down, and I find my maintenance object here. Below it I can see there is other maintenance objects. So when I select it here in the left side, I will see the information what's below it in the right side. In the right side I can see I have a lot of boxes that has colors on it. The color legend can be found up in Option. If I select one of the boxes that has a color, for example the green for spare part, I will be able to see the spare part list for this maintenance object. From here I can select a spare part in the list, and then I can go down and find if the spare part is on stock by clicking on stock. And now I can see I have two for use, and I can also find the locations B3 F1. If it is an emergency breakdown that I'm looking at, I can also go in here and look at the history by clicking on the yellow. By clicking on the yellow one, I will see the entire history of work orders that is finished on this maintenance object. I can also go in and look at the planning to see if other work orders are nearby to be started. Each window will have buttons added which contain other information. For example, here I have the work order and I can look what is planned on it. In this case I have 2 hours planned on it. If I'm looking for a maintenance object that I cannot find, or know that there are several of them, or maybe I only know the maintenance object name, then I can use the filter. In this case we have 3. We have for the positions, maintenance object, and for the calibrations. If I look at the maintenance object, then I can go in and search for the power. The system will find all maintenance objects where the name power is inside it. In this case I will have 5. The window now change. In the right side I will now see the result of my filter, and the left side I still see the tree structure, but this time the structure will follow whatever I point out in the right side. So this work order that I have here, maintenance object, is 200221, should be able to be found here. If I select one of the other, then I can find it here. I can also print out information that contain the tree structure itself. So if I select, for example, my position here, my filler, and select print, I can select to print how many levels, in this case 15 or maximum 15. I can add up documents, spare parts, work orders, and it will be printed out in a preview by Crystal Report. From here I can also export the information, for example, to Excel. I can also go in and do some functions directly on it. So if I select my maintenance object here, and I know that on the electrical here I have emergency breakdown, I can simply go in and select my objects in the right side, then right click, and then I get a list of information or function that I can use on it. Here I can also go down and create a job ordering directly on it. Save it. Now I have my work order here, indicated with the pink color in the box.